Hellos, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a side-by-side comparison of the new Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Ube Birthday Cake next to the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake. I'm really excited for today's video, you guys. Anything that involves Huda, I'm going to be excited about because I love her products so much. That is my favorite brand of all time. I love everything that she comes out with. Like, you guys, I'm not joking. Look at this. I can't even fit it. These are all of my powders, including backups of the Easy Bake line. I love these powders so much, you guys. I already have a video up here on my channel reviewing this powder, so if you guys want to see just a slightly more in-depth review, then you can just click the link up above. But today's video is just going to be a comparison. I do have on both of the powders, and I feel like if y'all have an eye for makeup, or if it's even picking up on the camera properly, then you can tell which side is which, honestly. But I do just want to compare the two shades and give you guys a little bit more information on how to apply it or how it can be suitable for your skin tone, because I know that this powder looks very intimidating. It is literally a purple powder. So yeah, you guys, if you guys would like to see a side-by-side comparison of these two powders, just continue to watch. Okay, you guys, so I will admit my makeup is definitely not looking the best today, but it's okay. I'm kind of rushing because I am getting ready for work, of course. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going to be going into both of the powders. I don't know which side I want to do. I think I want to do Cherry Blossom Cake on this side and then Ube Birthday Cake on this side. So yeah, we're gonna go in with Cherry Blossom first because this is a old powder at this point. So yeah, I just want to get this one out the way first. So as you can see, Cherry Blossom Cake has a real slight pink hue to it. I can tell like immediately, but it's way lighter. Now this is a shade that is definitely suitable for all types of fair skin tones. Even though I'm not fair, I still like a really bright under eye, so this powder was perfect for me. Just according to my personal preference. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my sponge and just blend out any of the creases that may have happened and then go in with Ube Birthday Cake. I wiped off all of the powder. I'm just gonna go in. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is definitely more rosy on this side of my face. You definitely can see the pink hue, but it's a lot warmer than this side. This side is definitely giving more of a cool tone type of undertone, while this is giving more of a warm undertone. But I don't know if you guys have seen my video specifically dedicated to the Ube Birthday Cake powder, but I did state in that video, you guys, if you want more of a rosy tone when it comes to this powder, then just one, maybe two layers will be perfect for you. But if you want more of that brightening effect, then you would have to go in with a couple of more layers, thin layers, not anything crazy, or you can bake as well. So now what I'm gonna do is just build that up, and you're gonna pretty much start to tell a difference. Really hope it's showing up on camera, you guys, but this side is definitely way more rosier. Even when I went in with multiple layers to brighten it up, it still looks more rosier than Cherry Blossom Cake. So now what I'm gonna do is just bake on both sides of my face, you guys, just in the inner corner for a little extra brightness. And I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back with the final look. You guys, so before I go and actually finish the rest of my makeup, I do want to dust off the powder so you guys can see what it looks like even after I bake, because I will be going in with a brightening under eye powder as well. It's going to be a pink one by P. Louise, and it is in the shade Rose. As you can see, it's a deeper pink shade, and I feel like it will go perfect. I always do a brightening powder for my under eye area. But this is what they look like side by side, you guys. Hopefully you guys can tell, but yeah, this one is way more rosier. In the bottom, it looks like a purple, like an electric purple, but it is definitely like a pink shade, but it's just a lot more rosier, while this one is still pink, but it's way more brighter and way more cool tone, while this is more on the warmer side. Totally forgot to give you guys a little bit of a comparison, but yeah, so I'm just going to apply some mascara, blush, setting spray, maybe just like my signature like brown lip, and that's it. Like I said, I'm getting ready for work, so I can't really do like a real pretty, you know, extravagant kind of look for today. This video was mainly about the powders anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, y'all, so I am done with my makeup. What do you guys think? Like, what side do you prefer? I don't know what side I prefer, honestly, because it's like, it's just so different to me. Like in person, you can definitely tell the difference. Like I love this side because it's brighter and I feel like it's a little bit more natural, even though it is brighter. And this side is definitely more rosier and pinker. So I do go for looks like this from time to time, but I feel like this is what I typically go for. I don't know, you guys, it's honestly hard to pick. I feel like if I had to, I think I would pick this side, honestly. Like now that I do like this, I just like how this looks a little bit more. It actually looks a tad bit, I think maybe this side looks more natural because it's like deeper with my complexion versus like this side. It is more neutral on this side, but it is brighter. So it makes it look just a little bit more like in your face. I don't know, you guys. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. I honestly like both sides, you guys. I can't choose, but either way, both of the powders are amazing. The formula did not change. I'm so glad Huda did not change the formula of these powders. Y'all just don't understand. But yes, you guys, just let me know in the comments down below which side you prefer on me and what side that you would prefer for yourself if you did have both of the powders, or if you do have both of the powders. If you do have the Ube powder, you guys, and let me know in the comments down below what you think about it, if it's suitable for your skin tone and everything like that. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video and you learned something new. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.